You're spending 15 hours a week on tasks a robot should be doing. Invoicing, follow-ups, replying to the same 5 customer questions. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 workflows running that hand those hours back to you. The third one? It's the one that quietly replies to customers while you sleep, and nobody notices it isn't you. Start with the boring moneymaker, automated follow-ups. Open Zapier. Click Create Zap. Trigger. New lead in your form or CRM. Action. Send a personalized email after 24 hours if they haven't replied. Type your template once. Drop in a name field. Done. You just build a system that chases every lead automatically. Real result. The follow-up you always meant to send now sends itself. And follow-up is where most small business sales actually close. Next, kill your content bottleneck. Open ChatGPT. Don't type, write me a post. Type this. You're my marketing manager. Here's my product, my customer, my tone. Give me 10 social posts for this week. Paste your last good post as an example so it matches your voice. Then take those 10 posts, drop them into Make, and schedule them across the week automatically. One 30-minute session on Monday equals a full week of content live. That's a 3-hour task turned into 30 minutes, and it never gets skipped because you were busy. Now, the one that runs while you sleep. Take your top 5 customer questions: shipping, refunds, hours, pricing, how it works. Write the real answers in a document. Feed that document to a ChatGPT, custom GPT, or a Claude project so it only answers from your actual info, not made-up nonsense. Connect it to your inbox or site chat. Now common questions get answered in seconds, day, or night. But here's the rule nobody follows. Keep yourself in a loop on anything about money or complaints. Route those to you. Let the bot handle what are your hours, you handle the human stuff. Result, your inbox stops being a full-time job. Here's what nobody tells you. The tool isn't the hard part. The broken process is. If you automate a messy workflow, you just get messed faster. So before you build anything, write down the exact manual steps you do now. Every click. If a step only exists because that's how we've always done it, delete it first. Automate the clean version. And do not feed customer names, emails, or payment details into random AI tools without checking how they use your data. If you handle personal info, GDPR and CCPA still apply to you. A robot doing the typing doesn't change that. Start with one workflow. Just one. Pick the task you do most often that needs the least judgment. That's your first app. Measure the hours it saves for 1 week. If a $20 a month tool gives you back 5 hours, that's the easiest math you'll ever do. Then, and only then, build the next one. This is how you avoid the trap that kills most people here. Paying for 6 tools, using none, and calling it automation. One warning on subscription creep. Every tool has a free tier. Start there. Don't stack Zapier, Make, and N8 in at once. Prove one saves you time before you pay for the next. Tool sprawl is just expenses with extra steps. Do this today. Open Zapier, build the follow-up Zap, and let it run. That single move starts recovering hours this week. Subscribe because tomorrow I'm showing you how to chain these 3 into one system that runs your whole front office. Leads in, content out, questions answered, with you touching it 15 minutes a day. That's the video that changes how your business runs. See you